Okay,
I'm being safe.
yes.
Hi, my name is
Thanks.
Leroy,
Okay, Roy.
and this is my pet bird. Hello, bird. Hello, bird.
Your pet
Yeah.
doesn't like you.
Yes, he does. You love me. You love me. You love me. Yeah, that's good, baby. You want some tent? That bird's some tent. Lie. Alright, we're going to explore the world of this lovely pet shop. And we're going to look at these beautiful things.
Birdie thingy.
I like these things. They're very nice condoms. I use them.
Anyways, so we're going to be checking out birdies. So, there's more birds. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. No. Don't
Yar,
say
have
hi.
some coke.
Hello. You got something to say?
Candy doesn't love me.
I'm trying to interview you. Alright, you keep doing what you're doing.
Let's go to a cooler.
This is the ugly bird. Hi,
Hey,
ugly bird.
this bird has feelings, man.
Ugly.
Bird has feelings.
I still think it's ugly. Alright.